Wow, very interesting, this one. So now, looking for the head is the highest. So now first I'm going to go for all the way over here, looking for the motion. Like that. And the middle of the body on this way. Okay, now I get a little bit better now and can get a little bit faster. And on this side, you very much can just cover the shadow. Now it's on this side, I just got a very big shadow. The whole arm over here, the hand, the fingers. And I can, if you don't have time to do the face, it's okay. You don't have to spend too much time on the face, because the face, the details, that is very much the last thing you could do when you have time. Okay, the shoulder over here, I'm gonna have some even darker color, like over there. That I like that, and that is it. And we're looking for the next one. When they flip over, I keep going.
You're gonna run out of things to put in between the pages.
Yeah, right over here. I'm gonna start from the top over here, right? Come all the way coming down. You see that? All the way coming down over here. So if you can see it as big as you can and go really fast, and then coming on this side, and then looking for the shoulder, looking at the twisting angle. Yeah, and now it's the face over here, the shadow side, looking, oh, you only have time to see the big shape, like the light side and the shadow side. You don't have time to look at anything else. Okay. And the arm over here, and the arm like this. And this is good. I'm gonna coming down over here, just put the shadow side of the big shape. Like that. Coming up, and the hip over here, like that. Yeah, that's good. Even I have some extra time, so I'm gonna have, now this is pretty good. Okay, this one is 5 minutes pose. Now look at it from the top, use any light color. Look at over here. This is the head, but I'm going to look at it from the waist all the way coming down to over here. Like, look like I need to make the body a little bit more toward the left side. So I'm gonna, and coming the waist over here, I'm probably have to make it a little bit smaller because I want to contain the foot on this side. That's the hand. And then coming up over here, you always do relate to the big relationship really fast. And now the head over here, I can change the face a little bit later. And now looking for the, now come to the shadow side, the knee. And then the foot on this side, and come back over here to draw a little thin line for the light side.
Would it be best if I just practice these videos, the quicker ones?
That would be good. Now I'm gonna add some shape. Looking for just the shadow. And looking for the shoulder over here. And looking for the, you go on this side, the shoulder. Now come back to the face. I'm gonna have it a little bit darker. Now this is the whole shadow over here. Gonna make it a little bit darker, like that. also need more practice. Okay. Now come down to the feet over here, and then come to the hand, looking for the hand, and this hand over here. You need to move it, and you kind of fight with yourself. You need to admit if there's a mistake, admit the mistake, and then rebuild it. And over here, dry medium always easier because there's just no water to make you to slow down and have to worry about.
So the brush pen's a good thing to use to do these.
Yeah, the brush pen is a good
use
thing.
ink in mine.
Yeah.
Since it's dried out.
That.
So it's not dried out. It could just be the paper. Maybe the paper is not very good.
Yeah, but the paper a little bit too much texture. Too rough. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm noticing because the ink's supposed to be good. Does that paper have texture that you're using?
Yeah, this one has enough texture. And now I still have a minute, so I come back to do some adjustment. Now I'm going to remove some of the color, like over here. I can make it a little bit lighter. Now I can come here to fixing the transition. I will create some lighter shape. And I'm not sure it would dry quick enough for me to come back to do more changes. No, it's already done. And
good.
I don't see the catch the shadow because the whole background is dark. So it's supposed to be have catch the shadow over here.
Very good.
Like that. You need to look at that. What's the top corner? What's the right corner? What's